lawyer, Angela the writer,
Nancy the painter.
couldn't have been tighter. No college friends, had futures that were brighter. Never apart, joined at the heart. Came to New York, took off and never drifted.
Alice was smart,
And Angela was gifted. Nancy made art that made you feel uplifted. That's how we started friends. We were so lucky coming here as friends. But would we always be so? How could we know? Sorry, I'm late.
it's wonderful to see you.
You're looking great!
That I can guarantee you.
Though it is true I wouldn't wanna be with, still us three in harmony.
Isn't it all an improbable plot? Nothing in common, but look what we've got.
I wouldn't like you if friends we were not, but you and me.
These are my friends. You haven't changed a bit. These are my friends.
Who are these people?
We are still friends, like the friends that your friends ought to